Want to make Matilda proud but also get some gains at the same time? Try out these high protein pancakes. Get a bowl down and add all these ingredients. You can use any protein flavour you want, and you can now use code DAWN at the My Protein checkout for a nary discount. Heat up a pan and add 1 calorie spray, and then gradually add the mixture to the pan. It should start to bubble, and when it does that is when it's time to flip. Stack them puppies up and then melt over some of the My Protein spread. Drizzle it over the pancakes, and you can use an optional Kinder Bueno, because why not? Why not, you know, who cares? Here's the calorie macros, fall for more.